Okay, so create a useful and accessible solution. So these are some of examples of UX design is user research. So you are able to identify your users' problems and understand their needs when you conduct research. And then user flow creation or wireframe creation. That's where you structure when you're developing your solution for your users' problems. That's like the process of structuring whatever solution that you got into, how you lay out everything. So yeah, the flow and then the wireframe. You said? Yeah, that's the first picture you see here. Can you see my mouse? Okay, so these are examples of UX design. These are the example of things that a UX designer does. So first, you can conduct user research. So user research basically allows you to identify your users' problems and their needs. Yes, and through that, after you synthesize everything, you can get their goals from there as well. And then the next one is the usability testing. So for the usability testing, after you designed like a solution, you've gone to understand your users, you've broken down and analyzed your data of information or information that you've gotten from your users, and now you've created something for them. Usability testing is that solution. You take that solution that you created and go to your users to go and test with them if this actually fits with them, this works for them, or this solves their problem in the way that needs to be solved. That's usability testing. Yeah, so you get feedback from them from that testing and you come to improve upon whatever product you're working on. And then this is flow creation or the wireframe development. So you develop the flow of your user designer develops the flow of their product, right? You want to know like the step. Once the user does this, what's the next thing the user is going to do? Why should the user perform this step? Why is this step important? And so on. I'm sure you know, like in school you've done flow charts and things. Yes, so you understand what that means. Yeah, and the wireframing is basically the skeleton of your product. So you structuring how the layout is going to look like, and there's always a reason why you structure things the way you structure in a wireframe. Do you get it? Yes, the main reason is to provide a good user experience, to make it easy for a user to use, and to make it easy for a user to perform, like complete their goal. Yeah.